Hi guys, little market update. So we are pulling back a little bit and we broke about below the 10 and 20 exponential moving average, but we are sitting on this zone of demand. So it was a really funny day because we sold off really fast in the morning and then we just basically stayed horizontal like a snake. So this was a pre-market dip after CPI report that showed that inflation is not transitory and it's still here and it's hotter than last month, and it's also core inflation was higher thanks to oil, and car insurance was up 22%. So year over year. It's crazy. I don't know why car insurance is going up like that, but it is. Anyhow, so SPY, guys, if we go down to this box, it was totally fine. It's big gap that needs to be filled at some point around 500, 497. All right. It's not a big deal, my friends. A market really haven't had significant pullback or correction since August, September, October, the 3 months we were going down here, and it corrected about 11%. But since then, since mid-November, we were just grinding higher with tiny little pullbacks, 1 or 2%. So it wouldn't be bad if we really have something down to here, even maybe 480, 490, right? So have some cash ready. It was choppy for a while, uncomfortable to trade. You can scalp. I don't scalp much because it's too much work for me for little money. I don't like trades like that. I want to make 3, 4, 5, 10K on a trade, not $200 on the trade or 100 or even less. Just not my thing. It's stressing me out. But look, you trade whatever you like and what it suits your personality and your portfolio. QQQ, guys, also nasty chop. We are right on the 50 simple moving average, but we closed right at the point of control, biggest zone of demand supply, right? It's the biggest amount of transactions that happen on this time frame from from now till last September. You can see down here what I have opened is a visible range volume profile, right? So that is the situation. We are also below 10 and 20. We're on the 50. If we get to this box, one little below, it wouldn't be surprising to 430, 420 would be totally fine. Maybe even down here in 420 would be totally fine. So that's QQQ. IWN got hit the worst because it's a small cap and they do not like high interest environment because these companies don't make money, so they're relying on money from other places and they have to pay high interest rates on this borrowed money. Looks nasty. Broke the trend line. It's below the 50 simple moving average. I think that this level is going to be next 196. It was a chop zone, you guys, for 2 years. So this was a resistance zone where the index had a hard time to make it through since April 2020. So here was the last time it was a support and it became resistance then, right? It was April 22. So if you look at it, it tried here, it tried here, it tried here, it tried there, and finally made it, and now we're going back. So doesn't look that great, but it is what it is. And last I want to look at is XVI, is the biotech index. The biotech index is literally right now on the 100 moving average for the second time this week. It's also in my box. I always draw these boxes. These are levels on interest levels of high amount of transactions, and this is point of control. So here we are. We could bounce here if we're lucky. If not, then probably next stop, if we break this chop, would be down around 80, 82, right? That's pretty much on a market, and we had a couple of really fun trades. This was a really fun trade we took today. It broke yesterday. I broke out. I always wait for the second entry retest. So when you look at the smaller time frame, this morning, I thankfully had it on my watch list here, and we dipped, and immediately I got in on break of the yesterday high. Basically wanted to get in on there. I didn't want to risk it that I get rejected, and sold 97.10. That was like literally beautiful on this push, and that was it. I was happy. I would stay in this trade longer. It looks very nice. I like the breakout here. I like the trade, but the market is just so annoying right now. I don't want to risk it. And another trade I took today was sticky QQ at 58.90, and literally this was a chop until the end. That trade closed 58, pardon me, 58.93. So whatever. Made 3 cents on a share. So there we go. It was a little tiny lunch. But in any case, that's pretty much it. Other trades are still open. We didn't get stopped out yet from any swing trades, and I'm really excited to see how they're gonna go today. MU tried really hard to break above. Like, the trend is nice. MU is nice, looks great. It tried, but then it failed also. Same TSM. Taiwan Semiconductors, pardon me, finally. Long day, guys. Finally broke out. This was my level of breakout. I missed it. I'm not in this trade, but I was posting it to our Discord. Some nice short on S. This was a nice flag, but flag break down here. So this was a nice hedge. I think if we have any sort of weakness in the market with the rejection here, it will be possibly down to 20, 30, something in that range. So yeah, guys, trade wisely. Microsoft was pretty nice today. Wasn't too bad, actually. Amazon also sold just to the 10 exponential moving average, and it immediately got a lot of buyers. Then Meta looked pretty good today also. It doesn't look shabby. You know, these guys are fine. Apple finally broke down from this dying slowly on life support kind of situation. So look at Apple. Yeah, that one is just really, yeah, annoying. But a lot of people hold this stock. They love it. They hold it for years. It made them rich. They're married to Apple. So I don't think they're going to be that ugly if it goes maybe 160, kind of. I bought a month ago a little tiny piece of Apple, really, really tiny. I don't really own this company. Never owned it. Never wanted to own it. I just have my personal reasons. I don't like them. Whatever. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Have a great day. It was just a quick recap for you. It's Wednesday. I do this every Wednesday. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I'm happy to answer. Otherwise, you can find me in Discord, Trading Mindset and Data. Link is in bio here on YouTube. And I also do private coaching. And I have Leah Cohort, which is a group class that lasts very intense 10 weeks. So reach out to me if you have any questions. My website is leahholmgren.com. Ciao.